Okay guys, so I made the story, and once the story finish, I'm gonna tell you how to make it. Start. We arrived. So cute. Here we go, Brinky. But that's what I named him. Hi. Hi. Okay. What are these chicks are exploring? I'm Brinky. My name is Charlie, and his name is Fano. Shall we play hide and seek? So they're gonna play hide and seek. Then yes, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 9, 10. Then after that, he finds him. Then he goes exploring. Future. But there, now I tell you how to make it. For there, let's just shut off the basketball sound. So first select like this backdrop. Then you can select any backdrop like this beautiful, like rainbow sky. Then you select the glance. Then you can do any next backdrop, and don't forget to delete the blank backdrop. So now you can select any character. So first is broadcast message 1. Show. Go to 80 y 72. Switch backdrop to city with water. Go forward 909 layers. Put there. Wait for 2 seconds. Switch backdrop to be sky. Go to -12 y 91. Broadcast message 2. Say we arrived. Push 10. Then wait for 0.5 seconds. Aww. Then say aww, so cute. The smiley face for 2 seconds. Switch backdrop to ducks. Then you can name it anything. Here we go Wrinkle. Here we go Sophia. Anything you like. Then broadcast message 3. Then wait 3.5 seconds. Say hi for 2 seconds. Then wait for 2.8 seconds. Say his name is Rinky. 2.42 seconds. Mine is Fano. Wait for 5 seconds. Then say yes please. Wait for 4 seconds. Hide. Go to random position. Wait for 10.5 seconds. Show. And then say you found me. Then wait for 2.5 seconds. Then say anything you want, like the future. And also go to random position if you like. Then for sailboat, you only need to do this. When green flag click, show. Wait for 2 seconds. Hide. Here's the hatching. When green flag click, go to X98 by 59. When green flag click, switch costume to hatching A. Wait for 4 seconds. Switch costume to hatching B. Sound shirt. When I receive message 2, go to XY -1000. Switch costume to hatching C. Repeat 5 times. Light 10 seconds to random position. And you need to edit this to full trick. Okay. Now time for the hand. When green flag click, hide. When I receive message 3, show. Repeat 10. Light 3 seconds to random position. Then we got this. Okay, so always. But here's the thing. How did I got the always block? You need to use penguin mode. But you will also use green flag and forever, so that you don't need to do it again. When I receive message 3, show. Wait for 1 second. Say hi for 2 seconds. Wait 2.2 seconds. Say his name is Dorian. For 2 seconds. Wait 3 seconds. My name is Sharjini. Whatever. Wait. Also his name could be anything, and his name. Even his name. Which is Fano. You can name anything. Doesn't depend. Wait for 4 seconds. Then you can do like any game. So should we play hide and seek? Then wait for 6 seconds. Wait, I accidentally did this. We're gonna be forever. But do the seconds work? So say 1 for 1 second, 2 for 1 second, 3 for 1 second, 4 for 1 second, 5 for 1 second, 6 for 1 second, 7 for 1, 8 for 1 second, 9 for 1 second, 10 for 1 second. Because 10 ones are 10, so that's why not 2. Do 1. Say done. Wherever you are not, I'll find you. Then wait for 4 seconds. Let's explore. Forever. Wait for 0.6 seconds. Switch to the next backdrop. Go to random position. Done. Okay. Now bye guys. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and share it to your friends. See you later.